Watch this.
Wait, where am I? What is this wind? Okay, don't panic. Just figure.
This historical time travel vlog was made in minutes using a reference image and a prompt. This is Hedra AI, an all-in-one visual creation platform to create cinematic videos with consistent characters and lip sync. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it to create this realistic AI time travel vlog step by step. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Now the first thing I'll do is upload my reference image. I'll click the upload icon below the prompt box, select upload file, and choose my image. This reference image becomes my character identity, allowing Hedra to keep my appearance consistent throughout the entire video. Now I will add my custom prompt, which you'll find in the description below. This prompt includes everything needed to create the video: the story, scenes, dialogues, and the overall cinematic style. Once everything is ready, I'll simply hit Generate, and Hedra will start creating complete story structure with individual scenes and dialogues. Now it's time to generate images for every scene. I can either generate all the scenes together for a much faster workflow or generate them one by one if I want more control over each image. Hedra offers multiple models like Nano Banana Pro, Seedream, Flux, and Grok Imagine, and you can easily see the credit cost for every model before generating. For example, Nano Banana uses 7 credits per image, which is what I'll use for this project. For the settings, I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9 since this video is for YouTube, and I'll select 2K resolution for sharper and more detailed images. Now I'll click Generate. I'll repeat the same process for every remaining scene, and now all of my scene images are ready. The character stays consistent across every scene, which is exactly what we need for a realistic vlog. If I want to make any changes, I can simply click on an image and describe what I want inside the chat. For example, I can change the clothing, background, colors, expressions, or almost any other detail instantly. Once I'm happy with all the images, it's time to animate them. I'll simply type Animate all scenes with dialogues. Just like image generation, Hedra takes me through every scene one by one before creating the final videos. This gives me one last opportunity to review everything before generation. For video generation, Hedra offers multiple models, including Hedra Character 3, Kling, Sora, and Vio. For this project, I'll use Vio 3.1 Fast, which costs 20 credits per second. For my settings, I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9. Choose 1080p resolution, set the duration, and then click Generate. I'll repeat the same process for every remaining scene. After all the scenes are finished generating, I'll review each clip to make sure everything looks the way I want. If something doesn't look right, like the camera angle, camera movement, dialogue, or any other detail, I can edit it directly through the chat and regenerate only that scene. Once I'm satisfied with every clip, I have 2 options. I can download each scene individually and edit everything inside my favorite video editor, or I can let Hedra handle it. I'll simply ask Hedra to combine all of the generated scenes into one complete video. And just like that, my historical time travel vlog is ready. Here's the final result.
What is this wind? Okay, don't panic. Just figure out where the road is.
There's people over there. Camels, trade goods. It looks like a Silk Road caravan. Okay, just look natural.
It genuinely feels like I'm exploring the Mongol Empire in 1200 AD, surrounded by warriors, caravans, and ancient trade routes. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Hedra offers a basic plan at $15 per month, which includes 1,500 credits for testing out. You can opt for higher plans for faster generations and regular usage. Overall, Hedra is one of the best platforms to create cinematic AI videos without a traditional production setup. you can keep your character consistent and choose between different image and video models. One thing to keep in mind is that high-quality models like VO 3.1 can consume credits very quickly, especially when generating longer videos, so it's worth planning your workflow based on your available credits. So try out Hedra AI using the discount link and prompts in the description, and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.